Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to disable tab scrolling when many tabs are open in Opera browser. So how to disable tab scrolling when many tabs are open in Opera browser? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Opera browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Opera browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are many menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this and scroll down. And tap the setting menu here. Now here you are in the settings menu. Enter the browser menu. Now here you are in the browser menu. Scroll down to find the interface menu. Then tap to disable tab scrolling when many tabs are open. This feature is used to disable tab scrolling in Opera when many tabs are open, so that all tabs remain visible without having to scroll. So that's it, tutorial how to disable tab scrolling when many tabs are open in Opera browser. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.